Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineer Choice. In previous video or in part 1 video we discussed about the structure of power system. Now in this video we will discuss about the types of load and the basic used terms. Okay, so let's get started. First let's talk about the types of the load. Okay, total load demand of an area depends upon its population and the living standard. Okay, what is the demand of loads? What are the factors determines the population of that area and the living standard? Population means what are the number of peoples, and living standard means how they are living, how they are using the electrical appliance like fans, heater, cooler, and for how long period of a time. That is their living standards. Okay, in general it can be categorized as a follow, means we can categorize types of load in 4 types, that are domestic load, commercial load, industrial load, and agriculture load. Okay, let's talk about the domestic load. It is defined as the total energy consumed by the electrical appliance in the household like lights, fans, mixer, heaters, a small pumping motor, etc. Okay, domestic loads are nothing but the loads that can be used in domestic or household like fans, heater, mixer, AC, cooler, etc. Now commercial load, it consists of electrical loads that are meant to be used commercially, such as restaurants, shops, marketplaces, malls, etc. Okay, the loads that are used for the purpose of economy or for money or commercial is known as commercial load. Like in restaurant, what are the electrical appliance or load that are used in restaurants, shops, marketplace, office, etc. Now industrial load, the industrial load itself says its meaning that the loads that are used in industry, like it consists of the load demand by the various industries like small industry, medium industries, large scale industries, cottage industry, or many others. And the last types of the load is agricultural load. It consists of the motor pumps set load for the irrigation and for other purpose, means the loads that are used in agriculture for the agriculture purpose is known as agricultural load. Now let's talk about the basic terms used in this topic, in this chapter. First let's talk about connected load. Okay, each electrical device has its own rated capacity. Okay, whatever the electrical device, they all have their own rated capacity. There must be written its rated capacity. Okay, the sum of the continuous rating of all electrical device connected to the supply system is called connected load. Means connected load is the sum of rating of all device which is connected to the supply. If it is connected to the supply, and then if we add all ratings of electrical device, continuous all rating of electrical device is known as connected load. Then demand refers to the maximum amount of electrical power that being consumed at a given time. Means maximum, if we use maximum amount of electrical power at any given time, then it will be our demand, or it will be demand. Now demand interval, it is the time in period over which average load is computed. The time period may be 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or even longer. Means it is time period over which average load is computed. If we calculate average load at a given time, then it is demand interval. Okay, now maximum demand. The maximum demand of any installation or system is greatest of all demand which have occurred during the specified period of a time. Okay, maximum demand is, suppose we have the demands are 30 megawatt, 20 megawatt, 40 megawatt. These all are demands, but what is the maximum demand? The greatest one is the maximum demand. Then 40 megawatt will be the maximum demand, and it is taken in weekly, monthly or annual, means in our year. Okay, thank you. If you guys like this video, you can subscribe my channel, like and share, and if you have any confusion, you can comment in the comment section.